everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am taking you on an exciting journey from Reading all the way to Greenwich. I'm struck by the fascinating similarity between the railway tracks here in the UK and those I have encountered back in India. Despite the miles of distance separating these two countries, the tracks beneath our feet tell a story of connection and shared experience. Both in India and the UK, railway tracks serve as lifelines, connecting distant cities, towns, and communities. Huh? No. I mean, this is my first time. I've not been there. Cable car also.
अभी तो देख ही नहीं पा रही हूँ मैं उठाऊंगी कैसे
So, as we soar above the breathtaking skyline of London, you will witness panoramic views that will leave you in awe. So, join me as we glide smoothly across the River Thames, capturing the essence of this vibrant city from a unique perspective. From the historic landmarks to the modern skyscrapers, each moment offers a glimpse into the rich tapestry of London's past and present. Of course, I could immerse myself in the beauty of this unforgettable experience, which is creating memories that will last a lifetime. So without further ado, let's soar to new heights and discover the wonders of Greenwich from above. During our journey, we crossed by the iconic Sherlock Holmes Museum, a must visit for any detective fiction enthusiast. But fear not, stay tuned for a separate video where I delve into the mysteries of 221 Baker Street and explore the world of Sherlock Holmes in detail. After our exhilarating cable car ride and passing by the Sherlock Holmes Museum, my friends and I decided to make the most of this beautiful spring day by visiting Regent's Park. So here, amidst the vibrant colors and fragrant blooms, we marveled at nature's wonders, from the delicate daisies to the majestic cherry blossoms, tulips, then wisteria, and many more. long held a special place in the hearts of nature lovers. These cheerful flowers, with their white petals surrounding a sunny yellow center, evoke feelings of innocence, purity, and joy. And luckily, the sun was shining brightly, casting a warm glow over the park, creating the perfect ambience for our leisurely stroll. It truly was a picture perfect day, filled with laughter, joy, and the simple pleasure of being surrounded by nature's beauty. These are bluebells with their delicate bell-shaped blossoms and vibrant blue hue have captured the imagination of people for centuries, inspiring both folklore and poetry. In European folklore, bluebells are often associated with fairies and enchantment. As we meandered through the winding paths, the fragrance of blossoms filled the air, creating an enchanting atmosphere that captured the essence of the season. It was a moment of tranquility and serenity, a chance to pause and appreciate the simple joys that nature offers. With every step, we felt more connected to the natural world around us, reveling in the beauty of these fleeting moments. Spring had truly sprung in all its glory, and we were grateful to bear witness to its splendor. So these are tulips in a dazzling array of colors, from fairy reds and sunny yellows to deep purples, even soft pinks. As we conclude our journey through the wonders of nature this spring, may we carry with us the essence of renewal and growth. Let the beauty of the season remind us of the resilience and vitality inherent in the natural world. Embrace the beauty around you, for in nature's embrace we find solace, inspiration, and endless possibilities.